I love coaching at Drive because I do come from a shop, from managing an independent auto repair shop. And I think I understand just the pressure, the feeling like you have to have the answers for everyone and solve every problem. So I think being able to take my experience and help the owners, right, and helping them avoid the pitfalls that we have in our industry it's really meaningful to me.
I really like the clients. They're very sincere and they really want to improve their lives and their lives of their employees. And I like helping them with that.
The most rewarding thing is making sure or seeing when they achieve their goals. Like at the beginning of the year, going over, okay, this is what I achieved to 2026, or this is what I achieve in the next 10 years. Like right now, when I started in 2015, there were some goals of some clients that were like, okay, in 10 years, I want to do blah. And we're right now doing exactly what they envisioned 10 years ago. So it's really helping them achieve their goals.
The one lesson my clients have taught me is perseverance. And it's something that I personally feel like I have, but when you see it in this form, when you see it where you're responsible for employees, for a shop, for people's livelihoods, and you're facing changes, whether it be industry, whether it be internally, whether it be mismanagement, and being able to maintain and move forward, it's real perseverance.
The biggest lesson that I have learned from my clients, it's that it's a lot more about discipline than motivation. There's days that they wake up not motivated, but they still have the discipline to show up and implement the changes that they're implementing in their shop that week.
¿Qué cambio de mentalidad me gustaría que los dueños hicieran antes? Sería el que supieran que no lo saben todo y se dejaran ayudar. Eso lo haría mucho más rápido.
The biggest mindset shift that I think an owner should make sooner, I actually got this from an owner at one of our expos, and I'm quoting him, the quote he shared with us was that it's hard to steer the ship when you're down there rowing. And that really stuck with me. And I think that if every owner was to take that and shift their way of thinking using that, it would help them make the biggest changes in their shop.
The difference between a shop that grows and one that stays stuck is a shop that just keeps looking at the now and can't look beyond the moment or beyond the current circumstances.
I will say that, at least from my perspective, I'm really good at looking at profit and loss. So I'm able to break it down and actually communicate to them what each one of those line items means and how they can improve their shop, depending on how you're looking at your financial reports. If you're looking at them long-term or short-term, you can make decisions. So if, like they said, if you don't know your numbers, you don't know your business.
One simple change that a shop owner can do is operate on facts and not on opinions, because that will give them the data necessary to make better decisions right away.
A simple change that can make a difference right away is daily communication with their team, and just communication overall. Sharing their goals, and for it to be a common goal and have common targets with all of their shop, with their whole team.
I will say that one of the biggest ones is to just be in the, networking in the different groups that will give you that information, whether that be local or that would be in your city or within Drive or any other group, magazines, trade shows, just staying out there, seeing things online. It really depends also your city. For example, electric cars or self-driving cars are not going to arrive to Iowa anytime soon. But if you're in LA or San Francisco, they're already out there, right? So it's just depending on your city and your circumstances, take the data that you learn and then, use it to your own a specific area or shop for that matter.
Uno de los consejos más grandes que yo les puedo dar es que aprovechen todos los recursos que tienen para capacitarse mejor como dueños de negocios, no solamente como empleados, no solamente como técnicos, pero como dueños de un negocio.